screenshot everybody.
Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that.
So, be careful. At least for once in my life. I'll be crazy as always, because I don't want to put normal.
And one of our biggest role models and inspirations.
That in there to skip it.
To hang with us, just kind of hang out with us. Why did you choose?
Hey y'all, so there is a hurricane coming. So right now we're going to go to Walmart to see how it is. We're going to get some stuff and we're gonna see how Walmart is. So I'll show you guys how it is here. So we're getting ready for Hurricane Milton.
I would hide from my house. Prison, I'm scared.
They took all the eggs. No eggs. And the milk too.
Argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent.
They blocked down there. Huh?
I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment?
Nah, this shit's serious. Oh yeah, they had the worst thing to do. They should have. Yeah, everybody. Oh yeah.
I hope they can breathe it.
They got the best hurricane protection shit ever. Look at they shit. This shit look nice. Listen, if rich people put it, now that put you in a situation. Look, y'all, look. 4 pieces of wood. Screenshot it. Somebody screenshot that shit. Somebody take a screenshot. 4 pieces of wood. Somebody screenshot. Everybody.
Hey y'all, so it's me again and we're back home. So I just wanted to come in here to let you guys know that we are going to be going through another hurricane again. It's Hurricane Milton, and it's a very serious hurricane right now. I just found out that it's a category 5, and where we are, it's more inland, and they said that there will be flooding because of how the hurricane is. So right now I'm going to go ahead and pack up some of our stuff and put our documents away, so I'll show you guys that. And I'm going to go ahead and make some bread if in case the light goes tomorrow, so we'll have some food. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you guys along with me.
My backpack. You want to laugh, come laugh.
And where those hours did they go? They on top of my thing. My bags and them be. It have our documents again. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and pack my stuff. So I have a towel.
That fine for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment?
So we have their pampers here, and then we're going to fold some of their clothes to put in there. That's Imperial and Tishon's clothes.
Put in.
We get more like that.
Put up in.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hey y'all, welcome back. It is Wednesday, and we're about a few hours away from the hurricane hitting. So we're not in like directly where the eye is hitting, but we're close. So right now I'm just here in the kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and start preparing our breakfast and make something for our lunch right now, because we don't know if we're going to lose power anytime soon. So right now I'm going to go ahead and prepare some stuff to eat, and then I'm going to fill up some Ziploc bags and put them in the fridge so that it could keep the frozen foods cold if in case we lose power. So I'm just going to show you guys how I fill the bags and put them in the fridge. And yeah, so yesterday we went to Walmart, as you guys seen, and a lot of the stuff on the shelves are gone. You know, like people are preparing and stuff. As of right now, I am a bit worried, especially for the people that are evacuating, that are stuck on the highways. And I saw that some people are walking, so I'm a bit worried for them. But I pray that God watches over them and keeps them safe, and they're not in harm's way when it comes to doing with the hurricane. But I'm a bit worried for our house because it's not a concrete house, and I don't know how strong the winds will be in our area. You know, the news gives an estimate, but when it comes to the hurricane hitting your area, that's only when you can determine how strong it is in your area. So we packed all of our stuff and we put it in the trunk of the car, and if in case anything happens, we'll be ready to go. So we're just waiting it out, and if in case anything goes wrong, like the roof comes off, God forbid, or anything with the house that compromises our safety, we're going to go ahead, take the kids and leave. So we're all packed and ready. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare something to eat, and like I said, put the ice bags in the fridge. So let's go ahead and do that.
with the Bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just
ready for the hurricane. Say we're ready.
You can see that lowering of those clouds there. I know it's a lot of scud cloud right now. I know this is not a live camera. Usually we do it now. If you're watching this, Verdana Village is on the right-hand side of this, is on the left-hand side of the screen. The new Publix is on the left-hand side of the screen. The place at Corkscrew is on the right-hand side of the screen. So again, we're looking south.
Okay, and let's keep with it. I tell you what, let's keep up the shot. Let's move the camera
Behave,
a little bit. It should be popping up behind the Doppler.
Stop it,
so that would be the general location. So we'll keep that up for a bit, and we'll see if we. Let me go back into time. Let me see when it touched down. Time now is 12:50.
That's Green's Glen right there. You can see it.
Right there.
Little yellow.
We're watching.
And if you're all wondering why I'm going up and down here, we have so many areas of rotation. I got to cover all the bases here. I want to make sure that we are treating everyone equally with the,
now coming in as well.
Yeah, this is going to be pretty much at the place at Corkscrew, and it is quickly moving to the north between 25 and 30 miles an hour. Let's take you also back to the other cells. That
As we said, we should get an update from the NHC because the storm has been moving more north than has been moving off to the east. You see that in the
you see that in the latest scan. It is showing, and this is very typical of major hurricanes. They do wobble, and there was a wobble to the north. And then in the latest couple of scans, maybe a little bit of a nudge to the east.
Hey y'all, so I'm here in Imperial's room and the kids are just here playing. I'm just here spending some time with them, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on the weather. It is really, really windy outside and a little bit of rain is falling. Not a little, but it looks like the rain is falling now, but it's really windy outside. So we're just here inside, and I already made our lunch. I prepared some stuff just in case the light goes. So we're good for now, and we're just here waiting it out. So yeah, so the kids are just here playing, and I'm sitting by the window looking out to see what happens. But about 2 o'clock there were reports of tornadoes in our area, and some areas that's like 30 minutes away from us. So exactly where we're at, we haven't gotten any tornadoes, but there were some close to where we live. So we're just here waiting it out to see, but for now we're okay. So it's really windy outside. It's really windy. Like it's really bad. We're talking now. Come to show.
Sit down.
Me again. I'm just here. I'm here just chilling by myself because Tish is in the room sleeping and Imperial and Tishon, they're sleeping as well. So I'm just here by myself. I was just watching some YouTube videos while the hurricane is doing its thing outside. So I don't know if you guys can hear. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can hear, but it's really windy outside. Like, it's really windy. So I'm just here boring. I thought Tish would be up so that we could play some games or something, like he said. That's what he said. He's not going to sleep during a hurricane. Oh, I can never sleep during the hurricane. And now who's sleeping? Talking about he have a headache. So I just leave him and I'm just here. I think I'm going to watch some Netflix or maybe find something on YouTube to watch. In the meantime, I just ate some cereal because I wasn't really hungry, but I don't know. I think I'm kind of an emotional eater, and it's because of the circumstances with the hurricane and whatever. I'm just like, let me just eat some cereal. But I was not supposed to, because remember I said that I'm fasting. But recently I haven't really been on my fasting routine like that. Like, I haven't been strict as I was before, and for the next coming weeks I need to get back on track, because I don't want to be playing with my weight loss journey like that, you know, because the last time that I weighed myself I was 192 from being 200 for like what, 5 months, about 4 or 5 months. So I don't want to play and, you know, get back lazy, and not lazy, but like, you know, be playing around or whatever. I want to be serious, because by next year summer my body have to be T, you know, it has to be T. So yeah, I'm going to try to get back on track, but I'm just going to go ahead and watch some Netflix and find something to do, because I'm here all alone by myself and it's boring. I don't want to sleep. It's like 10 o'clock, I think. I don't want to sleep. The hurricane is busy doing its thing outside. I need to go find something to do myself. So yeah, but we're still waiting it out. There's chaos going on all over the place, and I'm just so grateful, praise God, that we're safe, that the house is intact, you know, the children can sleep okay, that we have light. I'm grateful for the situation that we're in, because there are people out there right now that are in a worse situation, than us. So I'm grateful for where we're at right now. Praise God. So yeah.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose. What's wrong with you? How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Hey guys, so I'm just here. So right now I just decided that I'm going to watch a little update on where the hurricane is and what's going on. Yeah, so I think they're talking to the Naples Fire Department. Yeah, they're talking to the Naples Fire Department about what they might expect to see tomorrow morning when we all wake up. I just hope everyone's safe and no one gets injured or God forbid anyone dies. I know it's so scary right now for some people. But yeah, that's what your girls here are doing. Just listening to the Wink News. And then I think I'm gonna change it right now because I wanna watch something else. I'm gonna look for something to watch. Hey guys, so listen. If you listen, you can hear it. It's scary. So I'm looking outside and I'm seeing that this is hanging from the house. It's hanging, like what the hell? Hey y'all, good morning. So we're back from the passage of the hurricane. We're safe, we're doing okay, praise God. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the house, and then later we're going to try to drive to see some of the damages that happened. So let's go ahead and get the day started. Yeah, I'd like to see it.
Talk to your boy Black, bro. Okay, all right then, family love, bro. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look, bro, they tree snapped in half. Yeah. Bro, and broke the fence. Bro, they about to get some money. Oh my. Oh, look at the line. Oh yeah, none of these people got lights, bro. I know for a fact. Nice car here, bro. Lucky, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Over here got hit. Bro, look at all these shit. Bro, we should go down that street. Yo.
Yeah. My phone. All the trees are down.
I can imagine this morning while we was looking. Fam,
I know.
That floor was root up in there.
Yeah.
Fam, it looked like a disaster zone. Bro, look at they fence, everything like. Coconut tree falling down.
Yeah, like a record stick.
Yeah, that's what it say, yeah.
They checking, boy, stop talking to me.
I love someone right now, they're gonna like to my house.
Yeah, that's a damn. I was telling to go. Oh my gosh.
That boy is fucking, I'm ready for the hurricane, my God. Bro, the water came up all here, yo. Look, bro. Hey, fam, it smells like the ocean mud and stuff.
Yeah, they smell fresh. Oh my God.
Yeah, taste, bro. Put on runs. Fam, cause they want to stay by the water. Bro, that's them people problem. Everybody, the Florida dream, stay by the water, the fresh air.
Beachfront.
Yeah, you know, Florida. Yep.
They have a lot of utilities today. Look at the whole tree. What? Look, the whole thing fall.
Look on the car. Bro, what? On the people. Oh, man. Bro, look over here, bro. Branches done broke up. This is Look at that. This is because they're next to the sea. The wind is stronger. Bro, look at the palm tree. Bro, the palm tree. Oh my God, bro. Bro, every single street you pass by, them people shit are effed up, bro. Damn. Yo, the niggas ain't gonna get jobs out here to pick up all the
Yeah. It have a set of big trees. Look the fire truck inside there.
Niggas already put the couches out already, bro. I know this shit. Get down there. Bro, fam, every single street you pass by, bro, them people got mad damages over here, bro. Everybody talking about, oh yeah, they didn't hit us. Bro, I'm like, go to Fort Myers, bro. Fort Myers got hit, bro. Look at the golf carts, bro. Yeah. How much coconut? Jack and the jelly, right?
Look at the whole tree over behind there.
Look at the river, bro. Bro, the river done receded back, bro. Bro, this is unbelievable, bro. Nigga, not the Edison, how do they call it? A clubhouse. Yeah, the clubhouse got effed up.
Really damn.
I'm right here at the 7-Eleven that got hit up by the tornado and shit, looking crazy out here, bro. Yo. Nah. Yeah. Bro, look how much these people don't put this trash out that fast. Bro, they was probably up like 5 a.m. Like, bro, what the fuck happened over here? Like over here too? Nah. Look, bro. That's what, splash of water out there? Like dirt on the wall?
Yes.
Dirt from the tornado and shit. Oh yeah, splash of water. Damn, bro, look at everybody, bro, cleaning up the aftermath. This shit is crazy, like a fucking disaster zone, bro. Bro, this is like a whole disaster zone, bro. When the car is like with her. That's that white boys. Damn, look at, bro, they trees snapped. Bro, the trees, everything snapped over here. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. Free food? Oh my god, bro. Free food for the neighborhood? Go over there, bro. What the fuck? Look at this shit right here.
Yeah, I see.
Yo. Look at their car, bro. Their car got dented up bad. grid over here too. Yup, and them boys in there, bro. They working hard. That's what I'm telling y'all boys, bro. Who the fuck want a house by trees, bro?
Oh, their window break.
Damn, their window got broken. Oh, I know they pissed the fuck off. All they pissed off. Look, it's cordon forest. Hey, what's up? Cordon forest, guys.
And they have a pond of water right there.
Right there. Damn, boy, they take pictures of everything, bro. Hold on, bro. That's got it. Where for my people? Disaster zone, bro.
Wait, I can kind of push my head up. Yes, they recorded. So yeah, I see the roof, yeah.
Oh, in that shit.
Yeah, I know it.
Hold up. Look at this. This shit too. Damn, this crazy, bro. I knew the sun was good, bro. That's crazy. Oh shit, just over here, just looking at the damage and shit. This shit crazy. Shit, over here, like right by that 7-Eleven or something.
Yeah, that's a preschool.
That I got hit by that tornado and shit. Like it's right by the bridge. Fort Myers. No, it is the one by the other bridge, fam. By the entrance bridge, I think. Yeah, right. Yeah, the one by the double McDonald's. Fam, it didn't get wiped away, fam. The shit got hit up in the community too, bro. Fucking roofs, like, fam. I got everything on. Yes, fam. I actually right by like that. I think the funeral house and where like that. Yo, this shit got fucked up, bro. Windshield broke, everything, bro.